X plus 3.
You did it. There you go.
Mrs. House, can I borrow a whiteboard and a marker?
Whiteboards are over there. And then markers are on my desk next to my computer.
And how do you divide things that have exponents? Because we figured out that
Yeah.
just by reasoning. Well, she figured it out by reasoning through.
Well, is that going to have a variable with it? 12x divided by 4? Why is it 4? Be really careful.
Oh, 4x.
There you go.
Because then x divided by
Showing
2
him
would
on
just
number
be-
8.
Yeah, like, I think I figured out the answer and I'm showing him how I found it out.
There we go. Okay, so it's 4x.
Well, let's see what
Yeah.
her
Wait, this
suggestion
is
is
smart. I
going to
don't know how it works. I only know that that's the correct answer, so I wrote it.
be. Well, let Ashley show a visual.
Okay, show me math.
Yeah. So if you just want to do it the classic division way, so 4x squared plus 12x, we're dividing it by the length, which is 4x, to find the width.
Go ahead.
Wait, when you divide something by 2,
Okay, so 4x
Hold on. What does the 4x squared plus 12x represent?
represents the area,
What does the 4x represent?
and it represents the
those
length.
cancel out each other, and then one of the x's cancel.
Yeah, so the
Why is it
4x cancel
why is
each
it
other
x
out.
squared and not just?
It's just basically in
I don't know.
expanded form, it's just 2 x's, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So those cancel each other out, and you're left over with just 1x.
But
And then
then,
this 12x and the 4x, those x cancel each other out. So then basically you just have to divide 12 by 4, which is a positive 3, because this is a positive 12.
Okay, I kind of get it. I still don't. I don't understand why we square x. Well, no. Just ignore me being stupid.
He's just questioning the rules.
I don't know how math.
it's okay.
So this is what we got tonight.
Yeah, just go, but sign out, okay?
Is this person's backyard automatically like a square or a rectangle? Like by default? 'Cause-
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Okay, think about someone's square backyard.
Yeah, sometimes they are.
Perfect
Oh,
square.
perfect square. Yeah, you're right. That's not gonna happen. Okay. Yes, you can go ahead and get started. Let me ask, who is still working on the front 8? Yeah? Yeah.
Do we need to do all the problems, or do we need?
Your group has to have all of them done.
Okay, but
Let's see, you guys got.
since we don't know who's going up, would it be alright if
I'm gonna have.
if I just
See for sure. I'm gonna have your group do 6. No, I won't do that. I'm gonna have your group do 3. Okay? Is it just the 2 of you today?
yeah.
Okay. Owen's gone. Okay. Since both of you have 3, then your group is doing 3. Okay?
I was just wondering, I might be able to take Daniel's paper if that's alright.
Yeah, that's fine. You can do that.
If we were doing another one, then that's what I would do.
No, I'm gonna have this group do 3. Okay? Yeah.
When it's asking for the distance around a rectangle, is it asking for perimeter?
Distance around would be perimeter. Okay, I'm gonna start assigning the questions 1 through 8 to the groups. Okay? No, first page. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have this group. Oh wait, you guys have just the 2 of you. I'm gonna have you do first page. Let's look at first page.
I think we did a couple, yes. Oh, on Friday.
I'm gonna have you guys do 2. I'm gonna have this group do 1.
Oh, number 1? Oh.
Can you what? Sure. This group, no, sorry, this group up here, Ethan and Stacy.
Can we do 8 then?
Sure.
Yes.
You guys are gonna do 4. That's okay. You're gonna do 4.
For this,
Underneath, like sitting on top of my fridge.
Okay. So this group is 4. This group, you're gonna do number 5 on the front. Okay. So make sure that you all know. This group is number 6. And this group is number 7 on the front. Do you guys have number 7 on the front done?
Number 7 on the front.
Make sure all of you know how to do number 7 on the front. Okay? So now that everybody knows which question they're doing, work and discuss with your group mates so that you can all come up and present. So in 1 minute, we're gonna have group 1 come up. Okay?
Wait, is it number 1 first?
On the front side. And here's what I'm going to do. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to just put in a number generator to see which group goes first. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, 30 more seconds and then we're gonna get going. Oh, we actually have group 8 going first. Group 8 in the back. Are you gonna be ready to go first? Okay, because that's what came up. Group number 8. Yes. Alrighty. Come on up. And let's have you use the board if you can. Okay.
okay, so I don't do grab marker. Okay.
Okay. So question number 8, you were given the area and the width. Is that correct? Oh, area and the length. You were finding the width. All right, go ahead.
All right, so Tyson is going to explain what we know in this problem and what we are looking for, and I will show you how to solve it, or the way I figured out how to solve it.
All right, go ahead, Tyson.
Problem 8, you have the length and the area, which is 4x squared plus x. And pretty much to find that, you just divide the area by the.
So we're looking, so we know the length, so we know the area, but we only know the length, so we need to find the width, and that is the missing variable. So when I looked at this, I just kind of thought about it. Like, I noticed that if length is 4x, and then it's 4x squared in the next one, if 4x squared just means that there's 2 x's, so I knew that the first variable must be x in the width to get this 4x turned into a 4x squared. But then that leaves the 12x. So if we just do simple division, 12x divided by 4x, the x's cancel each other out. So I have to do is divide 12 by 4. And since this is a positive 12x, so I think I discovered the width would be x plus 3. And if you times that out, it should equal the area. So then we know that the width is correct.
There we go. Good job. All right, next, let's see who we have.
I'll erase this.
4. Group 4. Oh, that's you guys. All right. Yep. Okay, question number 4. Finding the length and the side of the square. The perimeter is 44x cubed plus 36y. Okay, hold on. No, I came around, I told you what group number you were. You're doing question 5, yeah. Okay, there we go. All right, listen up, please.
She's the strongest person.
All right.
So it has to be okay. This is a square. It has 4 sides.
Okay.
Okay, so basically what you do is you have a perimeter of 44 x to the third plus 36 y, and these are both square roots, so you can just divide it by 4, and that's only one side, so you get 11x to the third plus 12y, and that's
Whoop, did that division again.
what?
36 divided by 4.
I'm dumb, so
No.
it's 8.
Close.
I'm really thinking about
Help him out. There we go.
I just blanked right there.
That's okay. So did everybody see what he did?
Yeah.
Took the area, or excuse me, the perimeter, and since there are 4 equal sides, you just divide it by 4. I know, it's not easy being the teacher, huh? Good job, though. You gotta learn to laugh at your mistakes, right? 5. Question number 5. Who's question number 5?
I love how the clapping was so in sync.
Yeah, that was so.
Okay, question number 5. Yep. Find the total area of both rectangles.
I did the hard work here. Oh my god.
Total area of both rectangles.
Okay, so what you gotta do is add the area of the 2 rectangles. So I use the box method to do it.
Try to write big enough. There we go. That looks
I
good.
know last time I didn't write big enough.
6x squared. 15x. Okay.
The area of the first one. That. And then the second one. I can't read my handwriting.
Now you know how I feel.
Not after mine, but I don't think you could read either.
He writes his words in the boxes of the grid of his notebook. I have legible handwriting.
Legible.
Well, and I don't care. I don't have. Sounds like something that
I'm fine.
Okay, so what do we have that one? We have 24x squared plus 30x minus 9.
The way you do your nines.
You add them.
Ooh, I like that. You're using the vertical method when adding that.
And then you add them and you
get 30x.